Hey everyone, welcome back to PeasyMaster. In this video, I'll show you how to fix lag, dropped frames, and stuttering issues in OBS Studio while recording or streaming. First, close OBS Studio if it's already open. Next, right-click on OBS Studio and select Run as Administrator. Running OBS with administrator privileges can help it get better access to system resources. Once OBS is open, click on Settings in the bottom right corner. Now go to the Advanced section. Find Process Priority and change it to High. This gives OBS more priority when using your computer's resources. After that, go to the Output section and open the recording settings. Look for the video encoder option and select a hardware encoder that matches your computer. For AMD graphics cards, you can choose AMD HWH264AVC. If you have NVIDIA or Intel hardware, select the encoder that is available for your system. Using a hardware encoder can reduce CPU usage and improve recording performance. After applying the changes, restart OBS and test your recording again. And that's it. These settings can help reduce lag, dropped frames, and stuttering problems in OBS Studio. Like and subscribe to PeasyMaster for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.